Improvements in two-axis milling. ZW3D 2023 version has major improvements to the two axes. It can perform engage from outside the workpiece and generate the raised roughing toolpath with reference tool. Engage from outside the workpiece. In previous version, ZW3D two-axis milling can only generate the toolpath which is engaged from inside the workpiece. Then, in ZW3D 2023 version, it supports engage from outside the workpiece. Just specify a profile which class is stock and the tool can pass. Then, specify a profile which class is part and the tool cannot pass. And the pass pattern should use step or spiral invert. You can get the toolpath engaged from outside the workpiece. Generate raised roughing toolpath with reference tool. ZW3D 2023 version supports generate raised roughing toolpath with reference tool. For example, using 10mm flat end mill finish the roughing process. Via reference tool, you can easily remove the raised material at the corners.